Hello, Indian River and Brevard County. Anthony Petito, owner of Mini Split Pros. All right, so here's why I love mini splits and why they're way more efficient than the old school HVAC setups. See, they've got this thing called inverter technology. Sounds fancy, but here's the short version. Instead of turning on full blast every time like traditional systems, the compressors in mini splits either speed up or slow down depending on how much heating or cooling you actually need. It's like cruise control for your AC. No giant power spikes and no wasted energy. Now, efficiency gets measured in SEER. That's seasonal energy efficiency ratio. The higher the number, the less you're wasting. Mini splits almost always score higher because of the variable speed compressors. And here's the real kicker. With a traditional system, it's either on or off. With a mini split, it ramps up gently, just enough to hold your set temperature. That means smaller electric bills and less wear and tear over time. And the cool part, they keep their efficiency for years. They don't get lazy with age like some systems do. Plus, you could set each indoor unit to control its own zone. So if you only want your bedroom cold, and you're not paying to freeze the kitchen too. That's comfort exactly where you want it without wasting money. Bottom line, mini splits give you comfort, efficiency, and control. And once you've had one, you'll wonder why you ever put up with the old way. Need a mini split in Brevard or Indian River County? This is what we specialize in. Text me or call me.